Hello everyone! How are you? Today, I will show you a complete tutorial on how to create a trading bot using AI. First, I have already created a prompt and chat generated the full contract code automatically. You can copy the code from the link in the description. Second, go to Remix to deploy the contract. Create a new file, name it whatever you like, and paste the code inside. You can ignore the warnings. Remix always shows warnings when you paste anything near .third. Go to the Compiler tab. Select version 066, then click Compile. Fourth, connect your wallet and make sure you are on the BNB chain or Ethereum. Scroll down to the Deploy section, fill in the network symbol based on the chain BNB or ETH, set the trading mode to 2 for two-way trading, and finally enter your withdrawal address. Once everything is filled in, click Transact. If the contract deploys successfully, you will see it appear below. Do not worry if the balance text still shows it. Solidity uses ETH as a default display. Just check the network symbol. If it shows BNB, everything is correct. Fifth step, copy your contract address. Then send some BNB as trading capital. In this example, I use 0 point to BNB. Once the transaction is confirmed, the balance will update. After that, simply click Start to begin trading and wait a few days. On the first day, the profit was already 0.1 to BNB. Let us wait until day 3. If you close your browser and want to access the contract again later, just paste your contract address back in here, and it will appear again. On the third day, I checked and the total balance reached 0.66 BNB. That is enough. So it is time to withdraw. Very easy, right? No need to stress about charts. Let the bot handle everything. Trade smart by taking advantage of increasingly intelligent AI technology.